guys, my name is Dishita. You can see lots of rainbow plants. This is rainbow pots, and this is family pots, and this is all pots you can see. You can put flowers, anything you like. This is rainbow pots. First look at this. This is 2 pots, 3 pots. It has hang. You can hang on window. You can hang on a balcony, and you can put 2 plants. You cannot put mud. Don't put mud. You only 1 plant is there. Only put 1 pot in it and put it up. Put it on up. This is blue color. It have designs, flower designs, and you can put flowers, or you can put flowers or plants. See, we have to put like this. No mud. Next, you can put all plants. They can fit out. It's not gonna be full. And rainbow, you can, there is lots of colors, and you like it, these plants. And this is we buy it on nursery. It is there is lots of, when you go one nursery, then there is come lots of nursery. This is pink color. It look like purple color. I think it's purple color, but they can have special designs, and you can, there is two of them. On this you can put mud. You can put mud. Oh, you cannot put mud. I forgot. You cannot gonna put mud. See, this is the snake plant. This is snake plant. This is money plant and snake plant. Do you like it? And let's see the next pot. This is Kadiam nursery. And do you like these pots? Here, this is so special. This is cycle one, and this is has stand, and this is has stand, and it can have designs, black color, and you can have stands. It look like spider stand, and there is one hole only. And this is the iron pots. These 2 are iron pots. Don't put mud. Don't put mud. And let's see this cycle. Do you like it now? And this is cycle plant. They can have leaf, flowers. It can the wheels cannot move, and you can have this rose, and this is for small pot and big pot, and wheels have designs. And do you like this pot? See, everything, you can like it. Let's see the next one. Do you like it now? Super. And you can put You can put flowers too, but don't put mud. It can be broken. Don't put mud. And do you like this plant pots? See everything. You can like it. And these are face plant, and this is a face plant. It have man. This is the cost. And do you like the man? And look at this plate, is same color. You see the cost. And look at this pot. I don't know where do I put. I don't know how to. I don't know to put nothing. Only I don't know. Don't put mud. Only I don't know how to. Which one we're gonna put. Let's see later. But do you like these pots? Do you like it? And let's see the small pots. They are so cute. Pink color and green color. So baby color. You can put small flowers or small plants. These are so cute. Do you like it? This is so cute. And these are special plants. They are so cool. And you can put hangers to windows or balcony. You can put all the things. You can put flowers or flowers or plants. Do you like it? And they can have designs and plain designs and lots of designs. Do you like it? ₹120. And let's see the next one. Wow, look at this, all the colors. First one, this yellow color is have so slim. This is so slim. This is plastic, not so strong. This is plastic and big size. On video you can see small size, but it's big size. Do you like it? And next one, this bright green. It is so shiny and so clean. It is so clean. It is so nice. Right? This is all we buy on nursery. This is sun. This is bright color yellow, and you can have points like a triangle shape. This is a special one, and this is purple color, and this is special one. You can put on window or balcony. The orange one is same too. You can put. I can show the orange one. This is the orange one, same one. You can put balcony and window. You can take it off, but you cannot take it off. And these are the rainbow pots. And do you like the pots? Do you like the pots? You can put mud too, and you can put mud and real plants, flowers too. Wow, look at this rainbow plants. 2 blue, 2 green, 1 yellow. You can have matching colors thread. That not thread. This is called hangers. But hangers, you can peel it up the pot. Look, my mummy gonna do something. Look, there's lots of colors. And these are hangers, same color, matching colors. And this is the yellow and blue. My mom is gonna hang it and put it. You see? Wait, you can peel it off like this. You can peel it off like this. There is lines. See? And my mother is gonna put hangers. Look, I can talk later. And do you like the pots? All of the pots, rainbow pots, the rainbow pots. And bye. Like my video and subscribe and like. Bye.